Hello friends and welcome back to the Requilient channel. So friends, today we talk about ASUS NUC 14 Pro AI. So friend, ASUS has announced NUC 14 Pro AI, the world's first mini PC featuring Intel Core Ultra processor Series 2, integrated with Microsoft Copilot Plus, and this revolutionary device is engineered to deliver unparalleled performance for use across diverse sector, easily handling business, entertainment, and industrial application, and boasting compact design and advanced AI capabilities. And this mini PC sets a new benchmark for mini PC innovation, offering an alternative to traditional desktop in a compact package. And it's powered by up to the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 processor Series 2, and that feature a multi-architecture design incorporating CPU, NPU, and GPU technology, delivering a total of 120 platform TOPS and 48 NPU TOPS. And ASUS NUC 14 Pro AI provide 3x the AI performance of the previous generation NUC model, and making it ideal for commercial use, edge computing, and IoT application. And the inbuilt Intel Arc 140 and 130V GPU powered by the Xe2 architecture deliver up to 67 TOPS for outstanding performance with the Xe superscaling upscaling technology and Intel Xe matrix extension AI engine. The GPU provide gaming and content creation capabilities that exceed expectations, and it's also the first to feature on-chip LPDDR5x-8533 MHz per second memory, and offering up to 1.5x the bandwidth of DDR5. And the NUC feature a unparalleled connectivity with the Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 and Thunderbolt 4, ensuring efficient lightning fast data transfer and seamless connection for myriad of devices. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.